કરી દેવાના. કોઈ બી બધા પેરેન્ટ્સ વડો દિવસ એટલે કોઈ બી સારો દિવસ હોય તો પેરેન્ટ્સ તો યાદ છે ને. મારી મમ્મી ને એ લોકો વડે રૂંદા આવા બચાડા અને મુકેશ તો
અમે ડબ્બો કે તે હું તો 1+ વાળો ફગાડે ને ઉપર
કેવા
ખબર ડબ્બો જંતી
હા
રમતો
એ ફગાઈ ડોગ ફટફટી પીવો ને તો કેન ટેપ જો નવો ડબ્બો
In this question, we are told that L is an odd natural number and M is an even natural number, and we are required to calculate how many solutions are there for the equation L into M is equal to 2L plus M plus 598. Whenever you are given this kind of an equation where there is a product of two variables and a product of a constant and one variable and a constant and another variable, there is a simple trick to factorize it. So, for example, this equation can be written as Lm minus 2L minus M is equal to 598, which is some constant. What we are more focused on is the left hand side. This is Lm minus 2 times L minus 1 times M. So we can write this as L minus 1 into M minus 2, because many of the terms will be common. What are the terms of L minus 1 into M minus 2? Note that here we have minus 2L, so we'll write M minus 2. Similarly, we have 1 minus 1 into M, so we'll write L minus 1. So the numbers are reversed. So if you are expanding L minus 1 into M minus 2, you are going to get Lm minus 2L minus M plus 2. Many of the terms are common. So what we are going to do over here is add plus 2 to the left hand side and plus 2 to the right hand side. Now Lm minus 2L minus M plus 2 is equal to L minus 1 into M minus 2 is equal to 598 plus 2, which is 600. We are told that L is an odd natural number, so L minus 1 will be even. M minus 2 will also be even because M is an even natural number. So we have the product of two even natural numbers to be equal to 600. What are the values that L and M can take? If we are expressing 600 as a product of two numbers, let us first factorize 600. That will be 1 into 600. Next is 2 into 300. Next is 3 into 200. Next is 4 into 150. Next is 5 into 120. Then 6 into 100. 8 into 75, 10 into 60, 12 into 50, 15 into 40, 20 into 30, and finally 24 into 25. These are all the factors of 600 expressed as a product of two numbers, and 600 is being expressed as a product of two numbers. We want both of them to be even. If you are calculating those cases, the first one is 2 into 300. The next one will be 4 into 150. The next is 6 into 100. Then you have 10 into 60. Then you have 12 into 50. And finally you will have 20 into 30. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So you have 6 pairs. For example, in the first case, L minus 1 can be either 2 or L minus 1 can be 300. In both the cases, we are going to get the product as 600. So the total number of ways in which L minus 1 can be even and M minus 1 can be even will be 6 into 2, which is equal to 12. Essentially, in the first case, if you are considering 600 as 2 into 300, we can consider L minus 1 to be 2 and M minus 2 to be 300. Or L will be 3 and M will be 302. Using the same page, that is 2 and 300, we can also consider L minus 1 to be 300 and M minus 2 to be 2. Or we'll get L to be equal to 301 and M to be equal to 4. So using this one pair, we are getting two solutions. Similarly, you have 6 such pairs, so you'll be getting a total of 12 solutions. So the correct answer for this question is option C, which is 12.
છોકરાઓને તો લઈને આવજો અલ્પા સોરી લઈ